I'm laying on the back deck, and I was very warm, so I had Papa put up an umbrella for me. And guess what? Now I'm cold. All right, I've relaxed enough. I'm up from my bed. I think I'll go sit out front. John put the chairs out front. I'm driving up to the tide pool to go get Papa and I some pizza. So, a lot of times they don't answer their phone, you see. Because if they're too busy and they can't work another order in, they just don't answer the phone. But they answered it tonight, so they must not be too crazy busy. Alright, you see my buddy? I'm gonna see if we can... Whoa, I think he would eat up my hand. He did. Oh my goodness. Come on back. Come on, buddy. Hey, guys. Hey. Come here. Wow. You better sit down. Don't scare me like that. You're flying right over my head. Here. Ooh, they're all over. I think I've created monsters. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I really wanted to get us both in the picture. Come here. Come on, say hi to me. Come on. Come on. Hi. Here. Come on. Let's have a nice picture. Hello. Hello. It's our little selfie.